All right, let's take a look at multiplying with complex numbers. Sometimes these are called imaginary numbers. It's when you have the variable of I, which is not exactly a variable. So let's see how this works. We're going to start by just multiplying the first two, just, it's parentheses, it's distributive property. You can think of it lots of different ways. I times negative 2i is negative 2i squared. Works in that way very much like when you're multiplying variables times negative 8. Now, I squared equals -1. We can get into that in another one, but just know if you see I squared, you can mark it out and change the sign of the number because you're multiplying that number, that -2 times -1, which changes it to a +2. So we've got 2 times -8, which is -16. That's your answer. So that's it. Pretty straightforward, even though it seems very kind of unusual and not so straightforward. So let's take a look at the second one. 7i, all of it is cubed. So that's 7i times 7i times 7i, right? So 7 times 7, that's 49. I times I is I squared. I'll bring down the 7i again. Now, remember, I squared is -1. So marking that out, that changes it to a -49. -49 times 7 is -343. And there is one I attached to that. And so your answer here is -343i. All right, I hope that's helpful. See you in the next one.